nozzle-type vacuum and gas flushing packaging machine. Air Zero in the world. With the best technology, the best quality, and the best service, Intrise makes sure that we give our customers best satisfaction. Intrise developed Air Zero nozzle-type vacuum packaging in 2001 and then founded Sunhu EM, the predecessor in Panwal Industrial Complex, in 2002. And in 2005, we changed the name into Intrise Corporation Limited and built a factory. Rated venture business company and promising export firm, Intrise never stops developing quality technology. Welcome to Intrise. I am Seyong John. We manufacture a new concept of nozzle-type vacuum and gas packaging machine for antioxidation and anti-decomposition and removing particle, which is widely used in the fields of semiconductor, parts of the electrical and electronic goods and foods. Pursuing the best technology, the best quality, and the best service, all executives and employees keep trying hard to be the leader of vacuum packaging industry and further to create blue ocean in packaging industry. Always keeping in mind that our customers are the most important, Intrise does its best to make our customers fully satisfied, giving them the best and the most valuable packaging solutions. Air Zero is the nozzle-type vacuum and gas flushing packaging machine designed for sucking the air directly from inside bag using nozzle. It fits the size of packaging and completes packaging process quickly, and it can pack even hot products. Packing products consisting of arranging, vacuuming, gas flushing, and sealing. The special features of Air Zero vacuum packaging machine are that of a controlled vacuum degree precisely with the installed vacuum sensor, and it can also be used in the clean room with the use of an ejector pump and stainless steel structure. Its pneumatics used in operation method makes it much easier to extend the sealing bar than the electric motor used type. It is safe to use by the safety sensor, which makes the upper sealing bar go up instantly when something improper like fingers comes between the sealing bar. The control box is detachable, and its maintenance procedure is easy and simple, and the user can even check the machine's condition and operation through LCD monitor and LED lamp on the control box. If customers want to put various types of products, they can set 19 different types of vacuum and gas flushing packing process by adopting additional program memory function. The latest technology of Air Zero can provide customers with the best satisfaction in their packing. Air Zero vacuum packaging machine is the results of carrying out more than 1 million times of the test to provide our customers with the best one. After passing through the inspection by the authorized organizations, now Air Zero has so many certificates including ISO 9001 and 14001, CE, CATI, and NRTL. Today, Air Zero is recognized in an extensive area for its best quality products. As the importance of packaging as one of the factors of marketability is getting bigger and bigger, the application area for the vacuum and gas flushing machine is widening. First, in the semiconductor and industrial goods field, Air Zero is useful for antioxidation, anti-moisture, anti-static electricity, eliminating particle, etc. Second, in the food industry, it can be used to extend the expiration date and keep up the taste, flavor, and freshness. Best quality. Air Zero will keep trying to make progress until our customers get fully satisfied. Air Zero has obtained excellence in both domestic packaging markets and overseas markets and has become a leading company all over the world. Today, building the distributor lines in Germany, Japan, Singapore, France, America, Ireland, Sweden, Finland, New Zealand, Australia, Turkey, Iran, Malaysia, and the Philippines. And we export to a total of 25 countries. Intrise always keeps its basic policies and does ceaseless study to create the best products, Air Zero. In addition to manufacturing goods, we return some of the portion of the profits we make to our society, hoping to be the company which knows how to share with people and read their minds. On the first Saturday of each month, all employees in our company attend voluntary work, and there they learn modesty and love. Air Zero in the world. We make sure that we will provide the best technology, the best quality, the best service to our customers with continuous challenge. Intrise will be the front runner in the packaging industry.